June 2025. It's been exactly a year ago since my daughter transferred school. I've gotten used to being alone. Pero hindi nawala sa sarili ko ang laging masayahin dahil alam kong kasama kong Panginoon. Sabay nito, isang taon na ding lumipas simula nga ako yung magdesisyon na mag-vlogs para magbigay tuwa at ngiti din sa iba. Kahit anong sitwasyon at pagsubok natin sa buhay, lahat na nangyayari at ganap ay may layunin ang Diyos sa ikatatag ng ating sarili at pamilya. Kaya huwag nating kalimutang ngumiti at matuwa. What's up? Ngayon ay medyo gabi na. Nag-order ako sa Shopee ng song sheet stand at dumating na. Here. So buksan natin, guys.
Yes.
I'm so very excited sa item na ating in-order. Tingnan natin kung ito ay accurate doon sa picture na napopost nila.
Let's try.
Ito. Okay naman siya, guys. Ano pa. May barcode pa rito. So, in-expect ko ito kahapon. So, ngayon kasi dumating. So, buksan natin, guys. Para mabuksan to. Kailangan natin ng cutter. O kaya gunting. Dito. Okay, para mabilisan ito. Excited. Very excited. Ano ba ito? Dandan natin, guys, kasi kaya makater natin yung karton. Wala tayong makuha rito. Yun, nabuksan na, guys.
There is something really wrong here. Listen.
Ha? Tadang. Tadang. Ating song sheet stand in-order natin. Kasi guys, gagamitin ko kasi ako ay magtuturo sa music. Kailangan ko po siya. Yun. Wow. Galing, ganda. Tsaka yung stand. Yan natin, guys. Kakapit natin to. Parang halusim lang din, guys, yung stand niya dun sa in-order kong microphone stand na karang linggo.
Wow!
So, halos parehas lang din yung Yung ganyang design.
I don't know.
There's something you're not telling me.
Yun.
I say the same thing to you.
We'll say whatever you want.
Guys, buksan na natin. Oops. Paano ito? Okay. So, ano na siya ng danda. Marami tayong natural look na. Paano kumanta?
If you want to, I'm not carrying it.
But when he ends up,
Oo kasi guys, simulang ako ay
it's gonna be your best.
naturuan din. So nagkaroon din ako ng interest na magturo din sa iba. Although hindi naman gaano kaganda yung boses natin. Meron pa mas magagaling kumanta. Pero kahit paano, nakakanta pa rin tayo. Pag kumanta tayo, yung magandang panahon, biglang kulimlim, tsaka ulan. Yes. Okay guys. Ano ba ito gagawin? Parehatan. Okay. Yun.
Gotta be clean.
Worst case scenario, we all go for a swim.
I know. I'll make it up to you when we get back. I have
Here's the jungle. Because both of us know there's something else out there besides us. Something else that hunts for you. A real beast
Galing.
that you're afraid of.
Ganda. Ganda guys, oh.
So,
Ito sa atin.
if we work together, both of our people can survive.
Wow.
That's why I think I'm better off to you alive
Yes.
than skinned alive.
For now. But there's still that blood that's within you. Or me, or so.
And when this is all said and done, you can do whatever you want to. But save my guy and leave the rest of them out of it, okay?
Na guys.
Spirits of mine
Oh.
is part.
Natin
And so do
na.
I. This way. Smooth.
Kuha natin ito.
You'll be alright.
So meron tayo guys rito ng ano.
Besides, it's fake.
Isang tips. Here.
Wow!
So wala to guys sa ano, pagtuturo ng music. Para hindi tayo mahirapan mag ano, mag-lead ng mga singer. Tsaka
Rachel Diablo.
hindi tayo mahirapan mag-beating pag tayo ay nag-start na ng ano, practice.
Very good.